Hello everyone, welcome to Den Talks. So today we are here with another video for you. If you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon to never miss an update. From homeschooling or online study, you will need to take a position as a high-quality office chair. One of the foremost crucial things in any office is usually ignored and undervalued. Invest in something that features a lot of support. Additionally, your work or leisure activities are going to be easier and longer lasting. If you're working or studying, it'd be the right supplement. Here is a number of the best office chairs for various budgets and roles, including B. Does this include lumbar and armrest adjustments? Also, as correct lumbar support, what's your ideal location? You should also look into our list of the highest understage treadmills and bar counters if you're serious about your work. Number 1. Human Scale Freedom. Freedom is Human Scale's most innovative chair because there are no bothersome buttons or levers in Freedom's design. It won't meddle with your body's ergonomics. Instead, it will automatically conform to your body's ergonomic needs. As a result, when you sit down on a chair, the backrest resistance is automatically adjusted to the ideal amount. You won't have to worry about tension adjustment or anything else like that. This chair is a top 10 pick for manufacturing quality. Typically, the cost of Freedom is around $400. Also, the armrests may be shifted one at a time. For instance, you may also move the seat forward or backward and adjust the backrest and headrest heights. On the downside, this office chair isn't for the weak of heart. The leather and brushed metal variants, on the other hand, are the most expensive ones. If you're searching for a more affordable choice, there are models with solid color fabrics and graphite frames. Number 2. The IKEA Marcus. This is, even though it has been around for a long time. If you're looking for the best office chairs without spending a fortune, this is the one for you. The seat is sturdy and comfy with a large backrest and an integrated headrest. When seated for lengthy periods of time, the backrest's mesh material lets air travel through and promotes ventilation. Persons taller than 6 feet may find this chair to be quite comfortable. Despite its height, the mesh backrest, and thus the fundamental construction appears to be relatively light and fit many modern spaces despite their height. The leather seat of the gloss back is additionally protected with durable and easily cleanable material. On more expensive seats, the breathable mesh backrest helps keep you cool and comfortable during Zoom talks and long hours of work. As a whole, this may be a sturdy chair at a reasonable price. For a product in this price category, this IKEA furniture comes with an amazing 10-year guarantee. Number 3. HON Volt Task Stool. If you're looking for a more compact task stool, the HON Volt is the best choice. A sturdy high-end model that stays out of the price tag territory. It's available in cloth or leather, depending on your preferences. Because of this chair has no armrests. Perfectly complementing the dining table, they add a touch of class and sophistication. In the commercial HON Volt work chair, you may rotate the seat 360 degrees, and you can keep your balance by using the leg loops underneath the seat. Give your workplace or cubicle a contemporary flair with this HON Volt task chair. Your office will have a luxurious modern vibe with rich leather upholstery, while the basic shape works well with a variety of decor schemes. HON's task chair is still a good choice for both the house and the craft area because of its familiarity, ease of mobility, and variety of colors. Number 4. Herman Miller Sella. The Herman Miller Sella chair may be a durable, medium-sized, and quite comfortable office chair, which suggests that it's not inferior to other Herman Miller office chairs, but it's still slightly above average in terms of seating comfort. The quality big box computer to be stored. This chair features a large adjustment range and features a high level of technological innovation on the varied discs and hinges that structure the surface of the seat and backrest. Everything will recover. However, the chair is a billboard. Move your body every minute. The movements are a touch stiff. The surface of the chair is plastic to the touch. Not hard, but not very comfortable and not particularly soft. In terms of comfort and support, customization certainly helps tons. However, if you upgrade this equation, Sella suddenly becomes more attractive. At almost an equivalent price as a typical office chair, you'll get a product that's better in most aspects, and your itis is beautifully structured and well made in terms of expertise and adjustability. Considering the standard of ventilation provided, this is often an inexpensive issue, so your back won't sweat. The offers a spread of settings, including seat depth, recline tension and recline limiter, and optional armrests and lumbar support. The latter is going to be very worthwhile. Number 5. Branch Ergonomic Chair. Rama Ergonomic Chair is meant to supply first-class features at a reasonable price, and in fact, its furniture appearance outweighs its weight within the price range. You'll not only adjust the peak of the seat, but also adjust the reclining force. It is often tilted 20 degrees, and like many high-end models, the backrest and therefore the seat are connected, so that they are often tilted together for an easier and supportive seat. Getting up and using an ergonomic chair to figure on the PC is additionally helpful. Dining chairs near the board. It adopts an ergonomic curved design to support the lower spine. Here, your custom settings can assist you to move your spine outward or on the brink of your back, and be within the most supportive and cozy position for you. When folded, it also has an aluminum base, breathable mesh fabric on the backrest, and high-density foam padding on the seat shell to supply comfort even when sitting for an extended period. The sole drawback we saw within the online reviews was the temporary owner couldn't handle the lumbar support and complained that it had been a rather hard plastic. This was it for today's video. I hope you liked this video. Do let us know in the comments below what you think about the work from home chairs in the list. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel and ring that bell so you don't miss a new video.